No.
They was such a live stream. Yeah, with the bike, man. Try it. Gotta keep it clean. Carlos said you think you'd be my actor. YouTube, brother. What's up, Julian? Over here. I'm right in front of Carlos' shop. Todas las que traen las GoPro, y el teléfono, ¿no? Sat at a bar in Texas last year. Oh yeah? Sometime here now, it's 20 minutes. Oh, no way, yeah. I bought it back right before you went, too. I heard that, yeah. It's all good, it happens. She had a heart attack in December last year. And then, she had a heart attack and then, came home on hospice care. He sold it before and I bought it back. So I owned it before he used it. Man, that's crazy. Texas, huh? Yeah. So did you want it like for show? My uncle bought it. So they wanted it for show or what? Out there? He had it in a bargain. Like his desk. You gotta drive it, huh? Hell yeah, now I am. I mean, the motor should be good, huh? Yeah. You will never fuck up as long as you don't put nitrous. Right? If something happens to this motor, I'm an LS swap. Yeah? Yep, LS swap. You're gonna keep it forever, huh? Yeah. Yeah, remember your dad? Put a big old LS engine right here. Like the LS. Put an LS swap. Put a big old fucking. Dad, he bought it like this, or you built it? Oh. Like a lot of fucking drag cars. Right?
Hey there. Remember me?
Sandy or Whitney?
I'm Sandy.
Sandy or Whitney.
How are you? Great. Your grandpa's. This is your grandpa's car.
My dad's.
Your dad?
Yeah.
Is he still around or? Oh, sorry. My dad passed away 2 years ago. And then the house is mine now. But it's a pain in the neck. Oh, yeah, just, I'm renting the front from the original renters, but they're being a pain in the ass. And then I told their mom, I gave you the house, but I need to make sure you are assertive to the student. Yeah, he just drove it, don't touch it. And then this is my nephew, he's a special. It's his first cruise night. He's like, everything is amazing. Yeah, but I'm sorry for your loss. It is hard going, especially like with insurance and the it took me like 4 months to get my dad's funeral going. I worked 2 jobs, and then I didn't even know I was pregnant, so I was like, I had lost a child. And then I was just like, oh, yeah, it was not cool. And then trying to get my brother and sister to help me, and that shit was not, I didn't bother anymore. And then I have to take care of my big sister's kiddo. But my mom said I did kids with him. She had to bring me diapers and all that. Oh, but okay, whatever. Yeah, everything's okay. Now I'm pregnant again. Things are okay with that, but I'm keeping my distance. Because I'd rather keep it safe. Because I want safety happen. Yeah, baby's barely 6 pounds and I'm doing 2 weeks. So I'm walking it out right now. But I'm just happy I'm like working. Jojo! He just drove it. This car, man, your dad, oh man, took care of it. Like, and then he never took off that grumpy sticker though. Never. I cannot right now. Like, I remember I was like,
I got 30 bands up, and the bishop in a headlock. Desktop kicks, and the bitch gon' make the band rock. Land hot, nigga trip on me, I bet his head rock. I'm seeing with a red drop.
Look at the border. Look at Glenn. There's all my nephews. That's right. Like it? See it? You like it? Like it or no?
Wait, it's only old cartridges here?
Yeah, like an old school one. Not old school.
Dad was that's my favorite part of the train.
Yeah.
Wait, we got
hard to drive. Exactly, it's hard to drive it. Yeah. Well, you just gotta
That one.
How's it going?
I think I should drive.
No.